Portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by State of Franklin Healthcare Associates. For today's conversation on Meet Your Provider with State of Franklin Healthcare Associates, we're here at First Choice Pediatrics today talking with Dr. Christopher Gill. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's talk about pediatrics. What drew you to the field of to be a pediatrician?
Yeah, so my father is a pediatrician. He works here with me. And so I grew up in the Tri-Cities area watching him do what he does. And so kind of made me fall in love with it, and really he encouraged me to do it as well.
Right.
And I have had no regrets since.
For Dr. Gill, this area is definitely the place he calls home.
My family was originally from the Texas area. We moved up here to Piney Flats when I was about 4 or so. So grew up in the Piney Flats area there in Jonesboro as well. Went back to Texas for college at Baylor, and then came back here for med school.
When it comes to his philosophy on treating his young patients, prevention is the key.
We do a lot of routine checkups. Well child care is what we call it, where you're looking, making sure kids are growing well, appropriately, hitting those developmental milestones. And then also from like a health standpoint, vaccinating, preventing illnesses before they occur. And then all of our partners here at First Choice really try and practice what we call evidence-based medicine.
Right.
So, in other words, not throwing antibiotics and steroids at a virus or a cold, but doing really what's supported by the research that's been done in pediatrics.
Dr. Gill and his colleagues at First Choice Pediatrics have even increased the number of hours they provide care.
So that's what we're trying to move towards as we grow. We've hired on a new nurse practitioner, Charla. She's wonderful. And so we're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. till 7:30 p.m. We do have evening hours. And then on Saturday, we've got a Saturday day clinic from 8 till close. We pretty much keep seeing patients so they stop coming.
So making sure the parents and the children that need attention can get it.
That's right, that's right. And then we also have a doctor on call 7 days a week. So if something comes up, you can always call us, and we'll see if we can figure it out.
Dr. Gill is married with 2 children, and they have year-round fun as a family.
Oh, we do all sorts of stuff. So in the winter, we really like skiing. Okay. We go up to West Virginia, do some skiing, sometimes out to Colorado, but a lot of times, you know, we're in Appalachia, so there's the mountains, going on hikes nearby. You can be anywhere in 20 minutes and go for hikes.
Kids into sports and things?
The kids are, my daughter is a big reader, so she doesn't do as much sports. My son, you ask him what his favorite sport is, and he says all of them.
All of them.
So he really enjoys them. So we've got a bunch of animals at our place. We got donkeys, we got cows, we got goats, we got a horse right now. We got all sorts of stuff. So we do a lot of stuff. I enjoy working out with those animals and just building things, being outside.
Right.
I got a little tractor I drive around, so it's fun.
Looking down the road, Dr. Gill wants to stay here until he retires and offer his patients top-notch care for years to come.
So a lot of people nowadays want they want to be seen right then and there, which makes sense. When your kid's sick, you want them seen immediately. And so that's kind of where we're starting to move towards, is just becoming more available. We've hired new people. We're about to hire another possibly, and expand our ability to see patients. Just more volume, more availability as far as time and locations and
just
stuff.
Making sure the care is there, the good care, people need it.
That's the key.
All right.
That's the key.
Dr. Christopher Gill, thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's this week's Meet Your Provider here at First Choice Pediatrics with State of Franklin Healthcare Associates. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by State of Franklin Healthcare Associates.